Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Desi and today recreating Radhika Merchant Ambani wedding makeup look. I know guys, I can't compare with them. Still try to recreating her makeup look. Her makeup artist didn't do heavy makeup look. Radhika makeup looks natural with red lipsticks. So guys, I will show you step by step, so without delay a time, let's begin. So first make sure you clean face properly, remove all makeups, or if you got dry skin, must scrub face one day before and apply moisturizing to get flawless makeup result. First apply serum from Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Serum. Then apply moisturizing to get hydrating skin. No matter what types of skin have you got, must apply the moisturizing according to your skin types. I'm using moisturizing from Estee Lauder Day Wear Multi Protection Antioxidant 24 hours. Next, apply sunscreen lotion to protect your skin from sun and sun rays. Also, sun lotion help to hold your makeup long lasting. Using sun lotion from Solid 50 SPF High. Then apply lip balm to keep lip plump and smooth from YSL Tint In Balm. Done my skin care. So guys, I'm going to leave my skin 5 to 4 minutes to observe all products on my skin. Next, I'm doing color correcting. Also very important to do color correcting according to your skin condition. I'm using peach color correcting from Huda Beauty Flux Filter Peach Color for the slightly black circle eyes and where I have got uneven skin tone, and also apply under eyes near mouth and blend out with my clean finger and let it dry before apply the foundation. Next, apply foundation. I'm using foundation from Rimmel London Lasting Finish 24 hours SPF 20 Hydrating Boost Medium to Full Coverage 400 Natural Base. This is matte finish. Then apply concealer from L'Oreal True Match 6DW and apply under eyes, forehead, chin and near mouth. So guys, only I'm going to use one concealer. So I don't think Radhika used second concealer. It's not look very brightness. Then I leave concealer few minutes to become taggy. This way give you better coverage. Next, apply eyebrow clear gel for placement, upward and long-lasting eyebrow makeup. And blend out concealer till it is smooth. Next, doing eyebrow kit from Silk medium 821, then create perfect brows according to my face shape. For that, using angle brush. Next, using same concealer and clean eyebrow for clean and sharp look, and apply in the eyelid as well and blend out properly till the smooth look. Next, apply loose translucent powder from MUA and apply under eyes, side of the nose, eyelid, around mouth and slightly around the face. Loose translucent powder help to stop sweating and long-lasting makeup. Also under eyes to prevent the creases and fine lines. Next, doing eye makeup. Radhika makeup looks nude and simple, not many color used. So as a eyeshadow, I'm using from MUA Sun-Kissed Bronzer. Apply whole eyelid and crease and blend out till. So make sure there are no harsh lines. Champagne shimmer color using from Revolution Pasties, then just apply in the middle of the eyelid. Next, apply eye pencil in the water eye line. Same bronzer apply in the lower eyelashes and smoke out. Next, apply mascara from MUA Loaded Lash XL Intense Impact Volume Mascara. Next, apply eyeliner. So guys, this is not normal eyeliner. This eyeliner come with magnetic fake eyelashes. So apply eyeliner thick and let it dry and apply fake eyelashes on the top. Is catch automatically and stick itself. Very easy, no need to use any glue. I bought from Amazon and it's called In Smart Waterproof Natural Look. Next, apply powder bronzer from MUA Sun-Kissed Bronzer and apply in the cheekbone, forehead and jawline to give some sun-kissed effects. Then apply powder blush from KK Waterlore Magic 02 Brown Sugar. Then slightly apply in the higher point of the cheekbone. Next, apply highlighter from Deluxe Diva Baked Highlighter 01 Lively Champagne and apply in the higher point of the cheekbone. Finally, apply red liquid lipstick from Maybelline Super Stay Ink Lipstick. This is long lasting lipstick, guys. red bindi. Radhika wore a small one, but I have got only this size. So this is my final look. I can't be look exactly Radhika. I can't compare with them, but you can create look like her wedding makeup, jewelry and saris. Then have a look if I wear bindi tikka, how it's look. I think looks amazing, guys. And wear golden dupatta. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share and likes. It's really mean for me. So guys, see you in the next video. Love you all. Bye.